Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video we are hooking up a intro people crochet baby frocks designs ideas. Hope you like this video in different collection. So please watch this video till end and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Get ready to create a personalized and cozy outfit for your little ones. Hope you like this all the pattern in different collection. So please watch this video till end without skip. To start we will be using different stitches and yarn and a hook. For a customized look, try adding some embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, flowers, and many more different ideas, different accessories. You visit my YouTube channel and watch my full DIY tutorial, full detailed videos, full explanation videos. If you want any question, if you want any idea about crochet work, baby frocks, designs, ideas, how to knit this design, how to make this design easily at home with the help of crochet hook and yarn and hand knitting and machinery knitting. If you want to see full DIY tutorial, so please visit my channel and like my videos. From sweet and simple to intricate elegance, we will go a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or an experted crocheter, these frocks are perfect for baby shower, gift, or just because. We will show you how to create beautiful texture using yarn and a hook, plus got tips on how to customize the size, color, and embellishment to fit your baby's little one's style. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize and on how to create a beautiful crochet baby frocks designs ideas. These are very amazing and comfortable. Feel free to experiment with different yarn color and embellishment to make this project special. You can also add a personal touch with a special message or the baby's name. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload the next video about your comment. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, with your relatives, with your customers, with your crochet work experts and others. Please share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next few more videos about crochet work and knitting work. See you in the next video. Please like this video and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want to buy this, you visit many different websites such as daraz.bk, AliExpress, etsy.com, Clicky, and my official website. Be patron, you visit and order your favorite designs. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.